Hello. So I get a lot of people asking me what I do for my everyday makeup. I don't wear makeup every day. It's pretty much this. I don't have any makeup on right now. You can see all my little spots, all my freckles. I have a lot of discoloration. So my everyday makeup is just to kind of even that out. Growing up, I had okay skin, but as I got older and also after I had my little one, my skin started to break out in little spots. Also, after I was diagnosed with Crohn's disease, I started realizing the reason behind getting pimples around my chin and my mouth, and it has to do with my tummy. So there's also that. Anyways, if you guys want to see what I do with my everyday makeup, stick around and I will show you. So first of all, I love the Aveeno Clear Complexion Daily Moisturizer. This is what I use every single day, but I use it throughout the day and at night also. I use a lot of moisturizer. I'm also really weird about my skin in the sun, so I put on a lot of... What are you doing? Derek's here to make fun of me talking to my camera. If y'all hear any weird noises, it's probably Derek in the background or this dog on the other balcony. It cries all the time, so that's probably gonna be in the background of my whole video. He's whispering. Okay, so I just put on all my moisturizer. After I put on my moisturizer, I don't know if you can see this or not, but I use this Lumi Glotion from L'Oreal, and it's in the shade Medium Glow 903, and I mix it with the L'Oreal Pro Glow, and this is in the color 209 Caramel Beige. That's so cute. I'm using all drugstore products because I don't like to spend money. I think it's stupid to spend a bunch of money on makeup that you're just gonna put on, wipe off at the end of the day. This is just some Revelon stick concealer. Oh, it's Revlon Photoready in medium deep 005. So I took this, and I put it under my eyes, and I cover up all my spots. So after I cover up all my little spots, I go in with the NYX Mineral Stick Foundation, and this is in the color Warm Tan. And sometimes I use my beauty blender, which I spray with this. This is like the only thing that I own that's not drugstore, by the way. This is the MAC Prep and Prime. And I actually added in some like metallic bronzer myself. I don't know if you can see it, but it's not open. Uh-oh, Derek, my thing's broke. Can you fix it? And in comes my child. Hi. Hi.
I think we'll be okay, Julian.
Okay, so after I blended in that little bit of foundation on the bottoms of my cheeks, I I just like to go in with a little bit of a bronzer. Since I don't really do any powder or anything, I just like to contour with bronzer. He's standing outside of the window right now, bothering me. Go away, Derek. So I've been using this like Physicians Formula bronzer. I use the Waikiki strip, and now Jax is out here. Stop! Now this dog is howling. Anyway, sorry about that. Peachy Glow bronzer. It looks like this. I've had it for so long and it's not gone. And I've been using this brand since like high school, so I guess I just can't get away from it. And then go. Oh my goodness, that's so dark. Ooh. Jaxie, you can come in here. That still looks so dark. You ate all your chicken nuggets? Basically, I just put bronzer everywhere because I like to look tan. Now I'm going to go in and do my cheeks because I never leave my house without some type of blush on my cheeks. I use a matte lip balm by Revelon on my cheeks, and I just on my lips, and I use my beauty blender. This is where I always do my blush. Jax! Jax!
I think we'll be okay.
I was just checking on you, baby. And now I have a little color on my cheeks. Now for my eyeshadow, I use a flower, like a stick by the Flower brand, and I think it's the darkest one. I don't know the shade now, but I just use a stick and I just go, and it looks so messy, but I just kind of go all over my eyelid with the stick, and then I go under my eyes just a little bit, and then I blend it out with my finger. Okay, we're getting there. I don't look much different, but we're getting there. Next thing I should probably do is my brows. So I don't even know who this is by because I've been using it for so long, but it's definitely drugstore, and I want to say it's maybe it's Maybelline. Okay, so one side of it has like a pencil, and the other side, it has this little like sponge. What I do is just kind of go in really quick on the bottom. They already look so much better. So I go back in with the sponge. Oh, shit. Gosh, I messed up so bad. Oh well, fixed it. Okay, so. Oh my gosh, I'm so messy. Fun fact, you guys. I'm actually a licensed cosmetologist. I went to school at Paul Mitchell, the school, Austin, and I graduated from there. And after I graduated, I went on to do professional hair and makeup for different photographers in the area and also for weddings and stuff. So I know what I'm doing, I just don't do it on myself because I like to be quick and efficient, and I don't like to wear a lot of makeup. So anyways, are these even even? whatever, I don't care. And now that that is done, I'm gonna move on to lips. I just use this little Vaseline lip therapy little tub, and I keep it with me all the time, and I just get a little bit of that. And I put it on my lips, and then I go in with the L'Oreal Color Rich Eternal Mauve. That's all I do for my lips. And if I feel like being a little more colorful, I use the Color Pop. I think this was Alexis Ren's Color Pop line. I love her. She's so freaking hot. Anyways, this was her line, and I don't know if they still have it or not, but anyways, this is the color Exotic. So sometimes, if I just want to add like a little more color, I just pop that on and call it a day. I don't really like mascara. I have really little eyelashes, so if I ever, you know, do my eyelashes, I go to Pink Lady Lash here in Austin. They hook it up. So I don't really do mascara, but I guess I'll do some since I'm doing a video. I do use the Carbon Black Telescopic Mascara. I love the little wand. It's a lifesaver, but I only put it like on the outside edges because I have hooded eyes and they're also kind of downturned, and I don't like it when my eyes look droopy. So that's it. That is it. I feel like that's so much. Like, I barely put any on, and I already feel like that's a lot. I'm telling you guys, I just don't really like to wear very much makeup. Rather put that filter on it. Just take a Snapchat of my face and just, you know that glowy filter, the one that just makes you so like your skin smooth and makes you all glowy? I'd much rather do that. But you can't do that in real life, so just put a little makeup on. Like, you can just see when I get up close that like all my little spots, I just don't like to put very much on them. So they're like always there. I like can never get rid of them. I could just conceal them for days if I wanted to, but I don't really want to do that. I don't really care. Like, does anybody really care if we have pimples? Like, I need to wax this mustache. Can y'all see my mustache? I have a mustache for sure. Any of my Native American homies feel me? We gotta take care of that stash and these wrinkles. Probably will just get Botox one day when I'm old, but for now, I think nobody cares about what we look like as much as we think that people care what we look like. So as long as you feel like you look pretty, you do you, boo-boo. Yep, that's all. That's all I do. I usually just air dry my hair. All I really do with my hair when I'm getting ready to like go somewhere is I take a little bit of the Not Your Mother's beach spray, and I just kind of spritz that in there. Gives it a little bit of texture. I hope you guys liked my tutorial. I don't really know what I'm doing, and I don't really know what I'm doing makeup-wise to my own face, but this is just what I do every day when I'm going somewhere, you know, out and about to run errands or, you know, just some simple everyday makeup. So